many people, the thought of doing video content where they sit in front of the camera and they talk to the camera probably makes them cringe at the thought of it or recoil and not want to do it. But I can also tell you that it works really well. But doing it with some sort of regularity is always going to be the most important thing. People ask me quite often, what's the optimal amount of time to post on LinkedIn per week? The truth is that it's whatever you can do consistently. That means once a week, twice a week. Great, start there. We can increase it over time. Posted 7 days a week, would it harm? No, not at all, of course. The way the algorithm works on most social platforms is that some people are going to see some of your posts, which means that the more that you post, if you're posting 3 times a day or something like that, I'm never going to advocate that. It's just too much. But if you're posting 3 times as opposed to 2 times, the chances of more people seeing it is higher because there's content to be seen. So I think there is value in posting a few more times a week. 3 times a week is probably a really good sweet spot, but trying to vary up the content.